Hello everyone and welcome. In today's video I'll show you how to use screen recording with audio on a Motorola Moto G87. To start a screen recording, first you have to swipe down from the top of your screen and find screen record. Here you can set this to record one app or the whole screen. Record audio, you can have a microphone, system, mic and system, or mute, but we'll choose mic and system. You can enable a camera that will appear in the top right corner of your screen, and you can enable touch points that will show you where you press on the screen. Now if we press record, there will be a countdown and the recording has started. We'll get a notification that it has started. You have many options here. You can pause the recording, enable your camera, you can change the sound system that it is recording, you can draw on your screen, you can unpause it here, and if you want to end the recording, press on the red square. Now to find it, go into Photos, Collections on this device, and here's our recording. As you can see, you can edit the video as well. And that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.